ko Veesha pia tōku ingoa, ko te kaui mua me te mahurihure aku hapu. I currently live in Ngāpuhi at the moment, and I travel to Kauri to work as kaimahi for Kaitiaki Kauri. Hard to give you an average day, honestly. I'll give you an average week. It's quite a variation from presentations to actually doing the mahi itself. Sampling soil, plot monitoring, plant ID, which is very critical in our mahi. We need to know what we're talking about if we're talking to other people. I believe, and I feel it when I talk to whānau, it's like having a familiar face that actually cares about you. That's like, even though we might look flash with our gears, with our uniform and that, it's a brown face behind this logo. It's Māori, it's whānau, working for whānau, with whānau, alongside whānau. So it creates that kind of connecting feel for whānau. So my why is my baby, because when he grows up, what is he gonna have? That's pretty much my main thought when I do this mahi. Everything I'm putting in my kete, I'm gonna give it to my baby. So I make sure that I fill the kete up. Every opportunity that I get, I take it. Is that we can hear it. Is the main thing, is that we can hear it. Because when you can hear those manu, when you can, it's not about what you can see with your eyes, it's what you can feel. So if you can feel that mauri or that wairua in the whole of Puketi, not on just one side, not on the, on the whangaroa side or on the kirikiri side, throughout the whole ngāhere is there. That's my vision, to hear it.